Hey guys, welcome back. This is actually a little bit of an untraditional video. I'm using this as an opportunity to answer your questions down below. I realized on my best performing video, I just had a lot of questions that were related to running and maybe kind of related to the video, but some of them weren't necessarily. One thing I'm really proud of is knowing that I've gone through nearly every comment left on any video I've ever made and answered it and opened a dialogue for somebody to ask more questions. Just to show you I mean what I'm saying with this, I've gone through this video that's got 100+ comments on it, and I've gone back and forth with people answering different questions they've had along their journey. And I just want to make sure that I can help people the best way I can. My favorite part of that was actually going through and answering the questions that people had in real life. What I've found is when people feel safe and comfortable asking questions, knowing that they're going to get a response, they're more likely to ask them. So whether you're absolutely beginning in your journey, you're doing some walking, some jogging, but you don't really know what to do, ask any questions that pop up. If things are bothering you with you're walking, ask below. If you are somebody on the other end who is just looking for their next PR, you're looking for a specific time in a specific race or distance, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer questions below. And the best way I can help is answering your specific questions. It's always good to learn more and gain context and how things apply to other people. But when you've got a question, you want to know how it works in your own context. So give me a little bit of information about you, questions you have, and how I can answer them best for you. I'm going to try and make it a personal goal to answer every question within 24 hours. If I can do that, I think I'm going to be helping enough people out that this video will be worthwhile. So go ahead and ask me any questions you have, pacing, stride length, cadence, any running kind of questions, even shoes. I spend a lot of time in the shoe world, so I can answer questions you have on that front as well. I know shoes can be a big thing in the running world, and sometimes it's confusing. Sometimes we can simplify it and make it a little bit easier for you. So with that said, I'm looking forward to helping out as much as I can. Drop your question down below. If you find my response helpful, I would appreciate a like or subscribe. If you don't feel comfortable asking questions and just do want to watch some more videos, I should have a playlist or some videos linked like around here. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.